Today we have a 2011 Porsche Panamera and it's leaking coolant, not from a place that you would normally think is leaking coolant. These cars have so many hoses, so many connections. To get everything to fit, they have to do some pretty wild stuff. There is a dust cover right above the actual firewall down here. And this I'm just kind of calling a dust cover, and it covers, it kind of seals the hood up against from getting any debris into the brake booster area or the windshield wiper, controls, all that stuff. The heater hoses come into here and then they go into the heater core, in and out of the loop around the heater core, out this side to the inside of the car. So inside of the car over here, engine bay over here on this side. Porsche's only way that they could find it to fit everything properly was to run it through this cowl. And the cowl, it just, the plastic fails, it gets brittle, old, and you can see it's just been leaking coolant. And this is coolant, just engine coolant, right? So if you leak enough of this stuff out, the car overheats, you got problems. This is on the V6 and the V8 model. You can kind of see over here, underneath this section, you got the heater, you got two heater hoses right here. And then there's these other two heater hoses right here, and they're just passing through right here, going in and out of this cowl section. When somebody says your dust cowl is leaking coolant, it actually is. It's kind of a funky thing, but that's where they run their coolant lines through. So thought you guys should know. There it is. Have any questions? Call us, Charlie's Foreign Car, Encinitas, California.